One space we can.
We have to forget to get out.
This is very important tournament in Meghalaya. This is the 83rd National Table Tennis Championship, and this is the largest ever tournament held ever in the history of table tennis in the country. In this tournament, we'll be having 39 teams, and we'll be having about it's 35 teams.
No, 39 men's teams.
39 men's teams and 35 women's teams, and we'll be having the participants about 600 in all, and all arrangements has been made for their accommodations, and these accommodations are spread all over the city, and then we have made all security arrangements as well. We have met the SP, we have met the DC, and in fact they're taking up the matter on their own for the arrangements in terms of security as well as for traffic as well. And we have met the SP traffic. And what I can say is the response has been very good, and everyone has been very enthusiastic about this tournament. And all the Olympians, all the national players who represented India in teams abroad will be participating in this tournament. And after this tournament, we'll be having that is on the 26th, after the finals on the 25th, we'll be having a major event in Tura as well, which is as per the request of our Honorable Chief Minister. He wanted a kind of an exhibition match in Tura. So we'll be having a match in Tura on the 26th. So the players will be going from here, about 4 national players, 2 men and 2 women, and they'll be playing in Tura on the 26th. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. You know, because of the space constraints, we have floor area about 1,400 square meters, and then very few space for the spectators. So although the entries are free, but the seats are limited inside the hall. That's only. We are looking at now. We have players about 400. Players, 450 players that we need to first accommodate them inside the hall.
Players and coach and all.
Exactly. So maybe we can go in look at about 200 for the public.
Very, very tight. Until this morning, we were not able to complete the accommodation. 1 room, 2 rooms, and a lot of extra demands were there. Some press people also have been pressurizing, but we haven't taken any call. That's simply not possible. And stadium work is going on this morning. Early in the morning, 5 o'clock, the truck from the road has arrived with the 21 tables and arenas. Mat we have organized, but still working because the stadium is in a dilapidated condition, so we've been repairing that. It's a huge task. Overnight, the people are working. Otherwise, everything we are all set to go. Tomorrow, the chief referee will be arriving tomorrow to oversee everything from Delhi. And day after tomorrow, the tournament director will be arriving from Chennai, Mr. Ganeshan. This kind of tournament cannot happen without the support of the government. It's a humongous task. And we are giving only less than 30 days to organize this. This was supposed to happen in 21st of January, and it was announced also. But due to sudden COVID surge, we had to cancel it. All over the country, tournaments were cancelled. And this tournament was specially, the government of India has approved beyond March 31st.
We are very confident that, in fact, you know, this is about the 3rd time, I think, you're also aware that we have organized this tournament, the major tournament in Shillong. And the chief referee, who is Mr. Ganeshan.
No, chief referee is Claire.
Mr. Claire, and Mr. Ganeshan is the technical director. He'll be in Shillong. He was already in Shillong. So basically, they were confident that we'll be able to host this. That's why they have allotted the tournament to us in the first place. So I'm sure that the tournament will go through very well, and we are sure that the players will be happy as much as the officials, and we want everyone's cooperation so that they go back with happy memories.